everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 鶏とピーマンのうま塩炒め. It's chicken and bell pepper stir fry. Very easy and quick dish, but hearty and filling. I'm using some bamboo shoot too, but if you can't find it, you can simply pass it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this 鶏とピーマンのうま塩炒め, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon of sake, and some salt and pepper to pre-season the chicken. 4 to 6 bell peppers, depending on the size. Some bamboo shoot. As I said, if you can't find it, just pass it. 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil, sake, Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce and garlic paste, and 2 teaspoons of potato starch or cornstarch. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So bell peppers. Cut them into half. Remove the seeds and the pith inside. Then into thin strips. Just put it aside. Then, chicken. Remove the skin. And trim off all these fat. Slant the knife and make it into thin slices. Then into strips. Same for the other chicken. Put the chicken in a bowl. 1 tablespoon of sake. Some salt and pepper. Rub it well. All the ingredients are ready, so it's time to stir fry. But before we get to the cooking, let's prepare the seasoning mixture so that you don't panic when you need it. Prepare 100 ml of water and let's add all these seasonings. Sake, soy sauce, the soup stock, sesame oil, garlic paste, potato starch, and some salt and pepper in here too, just to your taste. Give it a mix. And the seasoning mixture is ready. Now it's time to cook. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. It's just random amount, 2 tablespoons or so. And let's cook the chicken first. Once the chicken is well cooked and slightly brown here and there, let's add the vegetables. Bell pepper and the bamboo shoot. Keep cooking until the bell pepper is wilted. It won't take long. Just 1 minute or so. Okay, turn the heat off and add the seasoning mixture. Give it a mix one last time because the starch is sinking at the bottom. Give it a mix. Turn the heat back on and cook for 2 minutes or so until the seasoning is thickened. Okay, kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. Some black pepper if you like. And 鶏とピーマンのうま塩炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The chicken, it's so soft and tender because it's cut into strips. And it's never dry thanks to the thickened sauce. The texture of the vegetable is so good and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏とピーマンのうま塩炒め is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and your favorite miso soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have きゅうりとわかめのサラダ for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.